Again, today we're going to be making the Taste Connections brownies. We tried the Cambrook brownies. I thought we'd be good to make a comparison. 325 grams of the Taste Connection brownie mix. Taste Connections brownies are 325 grams of, this is 325 grams of the brownie mix. And then I have quarter cup of the oil. I'm going to hold off on the vanilla because I have something else I'm going to be mixing in that may change it. This is 3/4 of a cup of the of coconut milk, and I'm using the Silk coconut milk, the unsweetened one. And there's that. And mix this around, see how it turns out, and then we'll add in the I'll add in the butterscotch brownie, the butterscotch pudding mix that I have. So let that go for a little while. And what we're looking for is a cake-like consistency. So I'm going to add in 2 of these. And get the rest of this out. I personally prefer the other one, but with the Taste Connections, it's the one that the medical food room will carry. So past this point, unless I do another cooking class with HC Network America, I'm stuck with this one because this is what my insurance will pay for. So here's the other one. And then we'll lower down and mix again. The original recipe called for water also, so I am changing the recipe a little bit. I'm using the coconut milk in place of the water. And looks like I might need the spoon in order to get the pudding off the sides here. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to put this on for at 350 for 50 to 22 minutes. Right now I'm just pouring it into a greased baking dish. Let me turn the camera here. And so I'm just going to pour it in here. And there's that. So the Taste Connections brownie mix is $20. It's about 3 pounds of it in the mix, and it still is quite pricey. Probably about the same amount as the Cambrook one. It just tends to be a little drier. although I have added stuff to both of the baking mixes. If you, brownie mixes, if you do go back and watch the other brownie mix one, you will notice it is a lot fudgier. And I also added peanut butter to that one, which is our medical version of peanut butter, meaning there's no nuts in it. Possibly, I mean, just trace amounts. So, since this is not an allergy, it's just a problem processing an amino acid, it's not really a problem there. And this bag does have 2 servings in it. I mean, you can make 2 batches of it, of the brownies mix with it. So it goes 15 to 22 minutes, or you want to test it with a toothpick. When it comes out with the toothpick clean, it's done. But I'm just going to smooth this out with a spoon, kind of spread it out and make sure it fits the dish a little bit more, because it will rise inside the oven. And that's it. Thanks for your time.